Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and I am back with another video. So, yes, Nishan fans, we are all hurting right now. The recent controversy following the IN 2026 finale has left us reeling. We have seen the awkward award, Dylan Wang's painful pose, and Shen Yu's immediate apology. But when you look closely at the details, there is a nuanced tragedy happening. It is not just a story of mean-spiritedness or thin skin. It is a story of a deep miscalculation. Today, I want to talk about Shen Yu's mistake because it came from a place of comfort and friendship, but it landed as a profound public insult. In her apology, Shen Yu was incredibly honest about why she did it. She explains the entire name change joke. The award, "You are just Wang Hedi," where the character was changed to mean bottom, was not meant as step down, you are the lowest. In her mind, she wanted him to step down from being a mentor, to shed the professional pressure and simply be him again. Think about that. She felt so comfortable with him, so convinced that they understood each other's deepest intentions, that she thought this public wordplay would be a form of release. She miscalculated. She assumed their friendship, their years of bickering and shared vulnerability gave her permission. But Dylan's perception was different. He did not see an invitation to relax. He felt mocked. He felt his hard-won authority as a mentor on this show was being publicly eroded by the very person who should have had his back. And this is where Shen Yu was wrong. Her action was wrong because it required mind reading. It required Dylan to instantly understand a subtle symbolic message that only she knew. Friendship is built on trust, yes, but also on context. In a public award ceremony on a national show, you don't use private jokes that can be interpreted so maliciously. Her error was confusing intimacy with public validation. She forgot that sometimes a friend is their professional role, and disrespecting the role is disrespecting the friend. She neglected his feelings because she assumed she understood them so well. She did not need to ask. Shen Yu is not a bad person. It proves she is a deeply regretful friend, but she learned a painful lesson. Comfort can lead to carelessness. Her intention was pure, but her action was a public stumble that cost her dearly. In the next video, we are going to look at the other side, and Dylan Wang was also wrong. We will examine how his own decision to go public might have cost him something even greater than his pride. Thanks for watching. Bye!